I had to register back home. What do I do now? That question comes up somewhat often when we're talking about the Sex Offender Registry. In Tennessee, we have the Tennessee Sex Offender Registry. I am confident that about every state does. Now, the things that I say in this video and all of my videos are related to my experience and education in Tennessee. If you're in another area, another state, find a competent attorney in your area. But the question is, I had to register in my other state. What do I do? Well, if you had to register as a sex offender registry in a state and then move to Tennessee, you need to register here in Tennessee. Sometimes an offense that is on the registry in Tennessee is not on a registry in that home state. For example, there was recently an individual that moved here from a state where a certain offense was not a registration offense. But then when he moved to Tennessee, in Tennessee it is a registration offense. And so one would have to register. Vice versa. If somebody had to register in another state and move to Tennessee, the best thing is first find out if you need to register. How do you find that out? Well, you could ask the sheriff's department. The sheriff's department keeps up with sex offender registry. You could call the courthouse and find out where does one register as a registered sex offender? Where does one do that? You could find a competent criminal attorney in your area and ask them. But the question is, would you have to register in Tennessee? If you had to register in your home state, you were going to register in Tennessee. If you did not have to register, it's also better to find out if you are supposed to register, because you don't want to get into this seemingly endless cycle of sex offender registry violations, failure to report, etc., etc. The sex offender registry can be just a legal landmine waiting to blow up, so be very careful with that. So the question is, if you had to register in your home state and move to Tennessee, what should you do? A, you should register. B, you should find a competent attorney and ask them first. I'm Jeff Goldtrap. I hope I can help you. I'm in Lincoln County, Tennessee, in Fayetteville. Come see me and have a great day.